Ever wonder how some people are making money every single day? It's not magic, it's called arbitrage, and today I'm going to show you how they do it. Let me give you a real example of how arbitrage can be a game changer. Meet John, an average guy from New York who stumbled upon a golden opportunity. One day, while casually browsing through different cryptocurrency exchanges, he noticed something intriguing. Bitcoin was priced at $30,000 on one crypto exchange, but on another exchange, it was listed at $30,500. This price difference caught his eye. Without wasting any time, John decided to take action. He bought Bitcoin at $30,000 on the first exchange and immediately sold it at $30,500 on the second exchange. In less than 5 minutes, he made a quick profit of $500. The best part? He did it with virtually zero risk. This is the power of arbitrage, seizing opportunities that others might overlook. This is what arbitrage is all about, buying something cheap in one market and selling it for more in another at the same time. Sounds simple, right? But this strategy can be used on almost anything. Stocks, crypto, currencies, even sneakers or event tickets. And it gets even crazier. Imagine making money just by noticing tiny differences in currency prices. Ever heard of triangular arbitrage? It's a fascinating strategy used by savvy traders. This is when people use 3 different currencies to profit from small price differences. They exploit these differences to make a profit. Here's a quick example. A trader converts US dollars to euros, euros to Japanese yen, and back to dollars. By doing this, they can take advantage of the slight price discrepancies between the currencies. If the prices don't line up perfectly, bam, instant profit. This method requires quick thinking and precise calculations, but the rewards can be substantial. But arbitrage isn't just for markets. Imagine this. You bet on a football game. You're not just relying on luck or your favorite team's performance. Instead, you're using a strategy to guarantee a profit. One betting platform offers 2-to-1 odds on Team A, while another platform offers 3-to-1 on Team B. This difference in odds is where the opportunity lies. You place bets on both teams using a calculator to ensure no matter who wins, you profit. By carefully calculating the amounts to bet on each team, you can cover all possible outcomes. That's called sports arbitrage. And yes, people are making bank from it. It's a smart way to leverage the differences in odds offered by various betting platforms to ensure a win every time. This method requires diligence and precision, but the rewards can be substantial. Now here's the best part. You can start doing this right now, from your phone or computer. Whether it's crypto, stocks, or even sneakers, opportunities are everywhere. Just keep an eye out for those small price gaps between platforms and jump in. So what are you waiting for? Don't let these profit opportunities slip away. Subscribe, drop a comment below, and share this video with your friends. Let's turn those small differences into big money.